In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize the overlay on CapCut PC version. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So here, as you can see, I already created a new project, edit some videos, and this is my basic video already on timeline. So let's add the overlay we want to add. So let it be like this. So as you can see, if we'll try to play it, we can see that it just like in a normal full size. So what if we want to resize it, to change the size? We have basically two options. We can work with this menu. So if we'll choose our video, it will be like white bordered. So now we can work with it. We can click on this in the corner and try to resize it right up here. So this is the first way. We can also change the position, change the location. So this is the way how we can deal with it in this menu. We can also rotate it whenever we want. So basically this is the first option, but sometimes it could be not that useful as you want. So you can try to use the advantage menu. So if you'll click once more, and here in the right top menu we'll go to video and then just click on basic, we can see the position and size menu. Sometimes it could be closed, so we can open it. We can change the scale, so resizing, and then just changing the position. We can also try to input something here and everything will work, and the rotation is already here. So guys, this is a way how we can deal with our overlay on CapCut PC. I suggest you to watch my other videos in this playlist. Goodbye.